Hello everyone, welcome to Cosmic Money AI. Today I will explain the current price action of Solana and recent network down news on Solana network. So this morning we have some Solana network down news, and in this video I will explain what are the possible implications in Solana price action. If you like the content, please hit thumbs up and comment in the comment section. If you like and want to hear more similar news, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So Solana had a very incredible run from all the way from $9 to $125. So however, after Bitcoin ETF got approved, Solana also started coming downward. Of course, the big daddy Bitcoin is coming down. So Solana is also falling. And recently, Solana broke the supporting trend, which has been following since $10 to all the way to $125. And that downtrend, that uptrend has been broken in the weekly basis. So this is weekly Solana chart. And this morning, we had the news on Solana network down. The validator act to restore the services. And we see that due to the Solana network down this morning, we had little bit volatile Solana, and it went down to $95. And yeah, Solana stopped processing transaction. So the Solana chain stopped processing the transaction, and due to that, it is experiencing the performance degradation. So there are a lot of requests from many people, and you can see that after the news hit, and it hit the price to $94 this morning, in less than 24 hours. And that is significant given the big run of Solana and in the pivotal zone of Solana at this moment. So what are the upside and what are the downside? So if it manage to close price above $100, then there is a chance to visit the $112 the resistance at this moment acting. So that will be a very big resistance. And downside trend, if it follows, then the downside support is around $75 range. So you can see then, so Solana came all the way from 22 all the way to 869, and then came back around $50 range, and then again one more spike up $77, came back to retest $63, and then again up $125, and then retested a little bit here, $78, but there are still a lot of liquidity in $75 to $79 range. So since given this news have hit, and already Solana has been bleeding, losing the trend in weekly basis. So daily, we are seeing that after losing the trend, it has been retested the uptrend and then coming down, and likely it will visit to 75 to $79 range once again. First, there is a small support waiting around 80, 84, $85 range, and then all the way back to 75. And in a long term, probably it will visit around 65 before it rising. So now, if you can notice that after a big rise, and then it is currently downtrend, and is it a consolidation, bull flag, or it is downtrend? So bull flag is actually when it spike up and then consolidate either in 90-degree or 45-degree, 45 to 90-degree. And in this case, so here it is, let me draw. So hmm, wait a moment. So here it is. So from here, it raised all the way here. And then if it is bull flag, then that will be consolidating around 45-degree to 90-degree zone. So this is bull flag. But since it is more than 45-degree, it is likely a downtrend than a full flag. So uh, given the news and market sentiment of Bitcoin is also trading a little bit below the recent high, so and there is not much liquidity in the market, and the S&P 500 is also probably near the top, local top. So therefore, there is a potential downtrend waiting for Solana. So let's draw the possible Fibonacci. So this is the possible golden zone, which is aligning $61 range, and 50% is 73. So this 50% is aligning with the recent support, near support, and likely if you notice that uh, in the zone here, it has been raised back, raised again, and then back, retested. So this is the pivotal zone around 67 to $70, 65 all the way to $70 range. So this is one of the, so you can draw it quickly. Let's see where it is. So this is the zone. I'll be watching very carefully, and there is a chance, and which is following um, the Fibonacci. So if you want to buy Solana for long term, this is a potential zone, and if it loses, it comes all the way back to around $38 or even $31. So and what are the upside zone? Upside zone is around one. It may visit around 110 to 12 zone. So despite, so there were a lot of uh, heavy selling. Quickly it happens, and but not every people could sell at this point, and that is where the spike is coming. So there is a chance that it may spike up very quickly and then before coming down, but there is a potential chance also it straight come down. So please be careful, but for both short and long, if you want to. So, but currently it is in the middle of nowhere if it consolidated a few more days. So, and in the meantime, the stochastic RSI is also coming down. So that is also another red flag. But in 4-hourly chart, we see that stochastic RSI is significantly down. So there might be one more quick spike in the upcoming days before it come down. So and so every current situation is matching with the downside trend than upside trend. So after having such big run, it is normal that the coin takes some rest. So this is not very bad sign. But please keep watching the news on Solana, and if you are a long-term holder, wait for a little bit at least to retest the 75 zone. So if you like the content, so please hit the like and subscribe. So and giving the MA, so moving average. So as you can see that, quickly remove this drawing and this arrow. Okay, so moving average is suggesting that it is currently almost retesting the 50-day moving average, but the next support will be the 100-day moving average around 77, which is aligning with that support over here. And if it loses, it will retest the 200 days moving average around now currently at $51, but it may actually rise by the time it will retest, and which will probably align with the $60 range in the same as this Fibonacci as well as this horizontal support. So the $60 range is very huge for Solana. If it breaks, then it is also there is potential downside. So, and if you look at the Heikenese candle, so the smooth Heikenese is actually track the very good the trend. So as you can see here, the smooth Heikenese has been broken and then up for retesting, and currently it is in the pivotal zone. So if it breaks, if it cannot bounce immediately in next 1 or 2 days, then there is likely to have more downside waiting immediately. But if it can hold current $93 range, then we might see a potential uptrend. So follow this Heikenese, and I will update you time to time. And please follow my Twitter channel over here, where I post the updates. And if you like to see the following updates, please subscribe my channel. And let me know which altcoin or what kind of updates would you like to see in the upcoming video. So, and until then, please trade safely. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. And just a quick information that there is the sign up bonuses for different trading platforms, and I put the links in the description below. If you are interested to sign up and trade crypto, so please feel free to use the referral link given in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye.